Welcome to Tax and Revenue Administration's video on how to submit an unclaimed property report. Property holders are required to submit a report for all unclaimed property being held as of December 31st that was assumed to be abandoned during the year. Holders must pay, transfer, or deliver the property or cash equivalent to TRA. The report is due 120 days from December 31st. Go to unclaimedproperty.alberta.ca. Click on Submit Property and enter your holder ID. If you do not know or have a holder ID, select Find Holder ID. Enter the holder's business name and postal code, then click Search. Choose the holder that you are submitting the report for. If the business has never submitted a report with Alberta Unclaimed Properties, select Holder ID Not Found. Then indicate if there are properties to report or if you are submitting a nil or negative report and click Next. Your report must comply with the statements shown on the page in order to continue. Click in the box if the statement is true. If any of the statements are not true, correct your report and then continue. Select the currency you are reporting in, then choose the filing type, web form or file upload. If there are only a few properties to report, choose web form. Otherwise, select File Upload to upload an XML file. Then click in the box I'm not a robot and select Next. Ensure that the holder information is accurate. If the holder is a business, enter the branch, division, or department such as payroll or accounts payable and select the industry type that best describes the holder. Next, provide the details of the person to contact regarding this submission. Then choose the submission report year, add any comments, and click Next. Web form. If you selected web form, each property must be reported separately, even if it's for the same owner, as each will have a different unclaimed date. Select the property type and enter a description of that property. If there is a fee to be collected from the owner that you are unable to net out, select the fee associated with the property and enter a description on what the fees are for. Enter the dollar amount of the property and the unclaimed date, such as the date of the check. Then provide comments related to this property. Select Add Owner. Next, choose the owner type. For a business owner, provide an identification number such as an account or policy number, or the check number. For an individual owner, provide their social insurance number, date of birth, or date of death, if applicable. Enter their last known address, even if it's invalid, and the date of last notice. In the comments section, provide any other identifying details that would help match the rightful owner to this property. Select Add to continue. Click Add Additional Owner if there is more than one owner associated with this particular property. To add other properties, select Add New Property. If you have multiple properties for the same owner, click on Add Previously Entered Owner, and this will allow you to select an owner that you have already entered during the submission. Once all properties have been entered, select Review. If you need to change the holder information or property information, click the Edit button. File Upload. If you selected File Upload instead of web form, you will need to upload an XML file containing the property and owner details. The XML file must be formatted according to the Unclaimed Property File Format Requirements document. Upload the appropriate XML file and select Review. Review your submission and select Submit. The confirmation page will display a submission number that is required on your payment and when contacting TRA. Select Printer Friendly to print or save a copy for your records. A separate payment must be remitted for each submission. Payments can be made through your financial institution by electronic payment, wire transfer, or check. Thank you for watching TRA's video on how to submit an unclaimed property report.